following message is transmitted by the request of the Seattle Police Department. At 4:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, reports were coming in that a creature was roaming around King County. As of this time, it is unknown if the creature is hostile. All residents that live in King County are strongly advised to stay vigilant as of this time. Do not by any means go near this creature at all costs, as this creature's intentions are unknown. Tune into media outlets for more updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Seattle Police Department. At 6:19 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the creature's intentions have been revealed. These intentions were confirmed to be hostile. This creature is wreaking havoc across King County. This creature was also reported to kill anyone in his path, along with breaking into people's homes. However, it is still unknown what the creature's identity is like. If this creature breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means necessary. If you see this creature, call 911 immediately. Stay away from this creature at all costs, and tune into updates as they follow.
The following request was transported in the Moorhead City Police Department. The evil stars are starting to fall from the sky, and it is really dangerous to go outside now, because the evil stars can chase you and crush you. They can also make holes, which is they make the holes deeper every time they hit the same spot. We figured out that it is Evil Starzie. Evil Starzie was breaking into people's homes. She can also make people deaf, hypnotize people, and finally, killing people. It is advised to not go outside at any time. This was no test whatsoever. We will tune in for more updates for this situation.
The following message was requested in my Myrtle Beach Police Department. Evil Starzie was first appeared since North Carolina, and now she's going for South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. The evil stars are falling from the sky, and it makes people die when the evil star hit a person. The evil star color is red. Evil Starzie will make you deaf, hypnotize you, and even kill people. Because of Evil Starzie appearance that some evil guy did this. She is so dangerous that you need to avoid at any cost. Please stay calm. If you don't stay calm, you will get the situation worse. This message is supposed to help people. She is also breaking into people's homes, and she also robbed banks on end countries. The evil stars are making deeper holes in North Carolina. We don't know what the evil stars are doing. Obama said to 10 minutes. And you need to hide in the shelter. You must hide in the shelter until 5 days. So get some food, get drinks, get clothes, get a flashlight just in case the power goes out, because some of the power lines will cut off. And get a radio-powered battery for more updates. Stay tuned for another emergency update as we goes by. I've inked it now.
The following message has transported into the South Carolina, Charleston. Evil starzie is killing 5,281 people. And it's causing death. The evil stars are spinning in circles. And it's making wind speed higher. The evil stars are falling from the sky and it hits some people. The evil stars are still making a deeper holes that it has almost hit the Earth's core. We figured out the evil stars are making a volcano at North Carolina. That is why it's making the deepest hole in the world. Evil starzie can also make people deaf, hypnotize people, and killing people. The new thing that evil starzie can do is getting glue into people's eyes while they are asleep while their eyes closed. That will cause not to open their eyes ever again. If you don't open your eyes when it has glue on them, then get your glue out with water. That causes to be blind. Do not go outside at any caution. Because it's a danger warning about this situation. Please stay tuned for more updates for this situation.
Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Eric will tell you the emergency alert system for this situation. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message as requested to me, which is Eric. I will tell all about this. Evil starzie is coming to Georgia, Atlanta. The evil stars are making an even higher wind speed limit, which is it's going to be 75.25 miles per hour, which means it's going all over the United States. The evil stars are falling from the sky and it hit people. 7,456 people were killed. This will be the end soon, but it will be dangerous if you risk to go outside, because the evil stars are starting to make tornadoes. Even the other evil star is making a volcano. It is 45% that the volcano is done. So it will result as the volcano will go everywhere that the countries are near North Carolina. So the wind is not strong, but it will be strong until tomorrow. Evil starzie is coming over on this country. She can also making people deaf, hypnotize people, and even kill you. She can also glue your eyes when they are asleep. She breaks into people's homes, robbing 8 bank buildings. Evil starzie is starting to be powerful, and it will be a maximum level soon. We will be back for more updates for this situation.
The following message has issued a civil danger warning. Evil starzie has started to become a maximum level. There is nothing we can do to stop her situation. The evil stars are falling from the sky. It is almost impossible to survive. The tornado is coming this way. You must hide in the shelter for 3 days until the tornado is over. The evil stars are spinning even more higher wind speed up to 295.58 miles per hour. The volcano is almost finished up to 72% done. It is advised to not to go outside at any caution. Evil Starzie is coming to Orlando, Florida. She can also make them deaf, make hypnotize people, and even she can kill people. And she can glitter eyes when they are asleep. Please remain calm for this disaster. This causes an almost maximum level. It is starting to become to violence. It is really a dangerous situation. We will be back for more updates for this situation.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
There is no way you can survive this. Now we will kill you down. Get prepared for the maximum level.
Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Eric will tell you the emergency alert system for this situation. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message has been requested by me, which is Eric. This is the darkest moment of all time. The evil stars is spinning 836.88 miles per hour's wind speed. Evil stars are almost done making a volcano, like 87% that the volcano has finished. Please listen carefully about this situation. The tornado is coming to Missouri, Kansas City. Evil Starzie is coming to Missouri, Kansas City. She can also make people deaf, hypnotize people, and even she can kill people. She can blind your eyes by gluing them in your eyes when you're asleep. I know this is the darkest moment in the United States at all time. The maximum level is starting to come up. This will result the third to last emergency alert system broadcast. The following humans that are alive in the United States is 371,291 people. This was the message to all of you. And we will be stay tuned for more updates for this situation.
This program has been issued a civil danger warning. Evil Starzie is almost to the maximum level. Because 10,271 people were killed. The evil stars are falling from the sky and hitting people when they land on you. The evil stars is making a lot of wind almost the countries. The wind speed is 959.22 miles per hour. The evil stars is almost done with the volcano, like 95% done. This has the darkest moment of all time. The evil Starzie is coming to New York City. So you need to be prepared for your life. Because she can make people deaf, hypnotize people, and even she can kill people. And last is that she glued their eyes while they are asleep. And that will cause not to open their eyes. You must have water in your eyes to get the glue out.
and then wash your eyes out. This will result as the final emergency alert system. And it will be scary and demonic. Please stay safe. And we will be checking more updates for this situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. There is no way you can survive this. Now we will kill you down. Get prepared for that maximum level. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Eric will tell you the emergency alert system for this situation. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Hello, everyone. It's me, Eric. I am here for the final time. The evil stars are falling from the sky, and it has gone even worse than before. The evil stars are spinning more wind speed 59,392,882.26 miles per hour. The strong wind will be effective on all 50 states because they did everything worse. The volcano is finally done to 100%. It's going to start erupting until 5 minutes. Evil starzie is coming to Colorado, Denver, and 821,161 people were killed. She can also do making people deaf, hypnotize people, killing people, and last, make people blind with glue on their eyes while they are asleep. This is the last emergency alert system, because everyone is going to die in the United States. There is no way to survive this, and there is nothing we can do. Evil starzie has become the maximum level, and there is no way to stop her. This is Eric, signing off for the final time.